This is Code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Customizing the notification message. I want a notification pop-up when I add a bird to the favorite list. Alright, so add at least 3 of your own elements into a notification list. Ooh, decisions. So what we're doing here is we're adding 3 of our own elements in a notification. Update the notification list to contain 3 different strings. Strings is a fancy name for words, sentence, letters, anything that's characters. They're always in quotes, which this is about to warn us. We can even use emojis. Fancy, I'll think about it. That means I'll do that. Separate list with commas. Yep, cool. And then let's just go ahead and let it take us to where we need to go. All right, so here's our notification list. And this is what we're going to be able to get update. Now, honestly, we could do this a few ways. I'm going to pull this out if I want to keep it in block mode. And then what I want is kind of something like this. So you can also just go into text mode and do it that way. I'm kind of being lazy here. So I'm just switching that over to notifications and cool. And now I get to say whatever I want. I might be uncreative, non-creative, and steal their first one and then think of my own. Boop. Nice choice. And now I want some puns. Ooh, so fly, kind of a pun. How about egg? Excellent. Huh? Because birds and eggs? Yeah, it's good. I know. Okay. Great. We have ours. You come up with your own, obviously. You can't steal my very creative and funny ideas here. So now we're just adding this to the Debug Console so we can see the output. So in the Debug Console, print out the various values in the notification. You're going to want to hit run so the code's actually executing. And we're going to just type notifications 0. Boom. And that will show us the first one. I wonder, is it not going to... And if you do it without the 0, it's going to show us all of them. So, but looks like we're good to go. Onward.